In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team documentation in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable space that your whole team can rely on. Start by opening Confluence and signing into your workspace. From the top navigation, head to Spaces and choose Create Space. A space is your team's dedicated home for content, so creating one keeps everything organized and permissioned in one place. When prompted, select the documentation space option. This blueprint gives you a purpose-built homepage with a page tree and built-in search so people can quickly find what they need without hunting through scattered pages. It's the fastest way to start with a structure that's already designed for docs. Give your space a clear, recognizable name and short key. Then set permissions so the right people can view and edit. Align access with your teams or groups, and make sure at least a few trusted editors have full rights to maintain structure. If you're unsure, start slightly more restrictive and open up as you go. With the space created, begin organizing your content with pages and a clear hierarchy. Create top-level pages for your major themes, then add child pages beneath each one for specific topics. Keep titles specific and scannable, and stick to one main topic per page. You can drag and drop pages in the sidebar to refine the order as your library grows. When adding new content, use templates to stay consistent. Click Create and browse the template gallery for options like how-to guides or troubleshooting articles. Templates give you ready-made headings, tables, and sections, so every page looks familiar and follows the same pattern. Now start adding and managing content. Use headings to structure ideas, insert images or diagrams for clarity, and add code blocks or tables where helpful. Link to related pages to connect information. You can @mention teammates to request input and use inline comments for quick reviews. Confluence tracks versions automatically so you can compare changes or roll back if needed. To make pages easy to find, add labels. At the bottom of a page, include a few consistent labels that reflect the topic, product, or team. Decide on a simple label scheme early so everyone tags pages the same way. This dramatically improves search results and keeps related content grouped. Finally, maintain and publish. Preview your page, then publish when it's ready. Set a regular review cadence, archive or update anything that's out of date, and surface key pages on your space homepage. Encourage your team to watch the space for updates and to contribute following the same structure and templates. That's it. Your documentation space is live, organized, and built to scale with your team.